Hi, I am Siri. Yes, I am the presenter. This is Junction Project Lumen Loop 3.0. The cake is a lie, but the future of light is real. In the universe, light is everywhere. Everywhere, also in buildings. There is much complexity involved to build smart lights. Sometimes it goes away, but this is another problem. Technicians spend day and night to make all devices work. They need not only to install the devices, but also to map their IDs, and this takes a lot of time, from many hours to several days. In less than 1.52 days, we built Lumen Loop 3.0 for intelligent lighting. It saves more than 50% of lighting installation costs, helping to identify a large number of sensors on a building floor. Using machine learning and other cool things, we produced a model with data from installed devices. After hundreds of simulations and data fitting, the final model uses the temporal spatial correlation of events to determine what devices need to be mapped next, in an organized way. How it works. After devices are installed in a building, we collect data for 2 weeks or so. Next, a technician goes on site, and our model suggests what devices to check and confirm its position. With each additional device checked, the model becomes more confident in recommendations, getting feedback and updates in real time. Do not need to map all the sensors in the room anymore. After few initial mappings, our platform takes care of the rest. Our prototype is a fully working solution, and includes ML model, backend, and front-end running in the cloud. Yes. Our platform not only saves money, but also saves time. Technicians become more productive and happy. Next year we plan to build a self-mapping electrical drone, but for now, we thank you your attention, and wish a great end of Junction 2021.